Good morning. Every time we ride out to the North Shore or to Turtle Bay, we ride past this nice little town of Kahuku. And it's a nice little community. Instead of riding right through Kahuku, today we're gonna stay here and explore an old haunt of mine where I used to ride on a two-wheeler. All right, we're gonna make a turn here at the only stoplight in town. We're gonna get back to the ocean here and see if we can get a nice little coastline. The only problem is we're getting rain, but we know that when it rains in Hawaii, we call that liquid sunshine. It's not going to last very long. We're heading up to Kahuku Golf Course. And I'm coming on a Thursday. And my hope that is it's not crowded. Because they have a great shoreline ride that I'd love to bring the drone out. So we'll see. I came here, I think it was last Monday. It was super crowded. End of a long weekend, I guess. All right. Not too many people. That's a good sign. Well, this here is the driving range. Not much of a driving range, but nice view of the ocean. All right, let's get ourselves in position. Right now we're waiting for a giant cloud to leave us so we get some sunshine. Good old Hawaiian sunshine. This is a place I used to ride my two-wheeler all the time. And you can see it's not much of a three-wheeler type of environment, but we'll give it a try. All right, we keep an eye out for any golfers. Okay, we're coming up this little hill. Oh my gosh, there's that beautiful Pacific Ocean. I think that's California or Mexico straight ahead. Well, we're gonna have a great ride today. You guys enjoy it. Matter of fact, why not have a wonderful day?
What a wonderful day, with the sun shining on my face. I take you down to my sandy shores, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day, where we watch the children play, building castles in the sand, down to Kailua Bay. We see the sails in the wind, blue Hawaiian skies. I remember your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day, sipping mango tea in the shade. I let the ocean touch my toes, down in Kailua Bay. Shoo-doobie doobie wah, shoo-doop doobie 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 doobie wah. remember your first time I saw the sparkle in your eyes. What a wonderful day. What more can a poor boy say? I take you down to my hometown, down to Kailua Bay. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. Here in Hawaii. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful, wonderful day. What a wonderful day. Here in Hawaii.
Well, that was a great little ride. A couple miles up the coast along the Pacific Ocean. Fortunately, we didn't get hit with golf balls. Hey, you guys want to go walk on the beach? It would be awesome. Yeah, right here. All right, take off your shoes, roll your pants up. Oh wait, I gotta change the battery in the drone. Ah, look at that. Isn't that cool?
Where is my paradise now that you're gone? Where are those haunted eyes? You were the one for me. I miss your hula hands that sang and danced for me. Your caress in the night under that.
A couple years ago, we got hit really heavy with that Pacific garbage patch that floats out there between California and Hawaii, and it was horrific. Our shores were just hit with tons of garbage that come from these long line fishing boats. They're international boats, not from Hawaii, and this shoreline, Kahuku, gets hit more than the rest of the island. It was terrible, and we had to get a lot of supporters to come out and clean it. But fortunately today everything looks really good. I don't see hardly any garbage out there, so the tides are with us today.
Sunshine every day.
Oh, we got more golfers out now, so I'm glad we took our coastal ride when we could. You know, they might get scared of that drone that's following me all over the place. This is a little Japanese graveyard next to the golf course. And beyond that is where the plantation was for the Kahuku sugar mill. And all the hard workers in the community worked there and lived in the plantation. Well, we no longer have a sugar mill. We no longer have sugar fields on Oahu.
Where I first met you.
Oh, I love seeing that nice white sandy beach. All right, coming in for a landing. Well, that was a great revisit to an old haunt of mine. The beach at Kahuku Golf Course. Okay, that's not the official Hawaiian name, but that's what I call it. Anyway, I'm off to the next adventure somewhere. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and riding along with me. I appreciate it. You guys be healthy. We'll see you on the next ride. Aloha. I wonder if I should have brought my golf clubs.